This is A Studio 2, an incredible AI DAW that you can add to your own music production workflow. In the intro, we used the music enhancer feature to turn a simple melody idea into a full-blown orchestral composition. In this example, I want to enhance this hip-hop beat that I've prepared. Sounds like this. So we are just going to select this, go to AI Tools, Music Enhancer, click on New Enhancement, the whole song, continue, and it auto-generates the style and the arrangement of the song. Now I don't want an instrumental, so I'm going to remove this and I'm going to write in some lyrics. Let's go with something really simple like this. For the styles, you can leave it as is, or you can do your own style. So I'm just going to do boom bap, 95 BPM. Let's do scratches as well. And let's hit enhance. And here's the result.
Break it, take it, do it how you like it, shake it, fake it, till you make it.
So we are going to use this one, but I want to have more control over what I use from it and what I don't. So let's just drag it in. And now what we are going to do is split the generated one into stems so we can get each sound separately. So just right click it, AI Tools, Stem Splitter, and let's do 6 stems. Split, and the stems are here. Now we can listen to each one separately, like the vocals.
Take it, do it how you like it, shake it, flake it.
The drums, the bass, and then the rest of the sounds, which is the piano, guitar, and others. And I really like the offbeat hits here. So what I'm gonna do is remove the bass and the drums, and I'm gonna keep those from my original recording that I put in here. Now we are sounding like this.
Break it, break it, break it, take it.
Let me just remove these tracks. So this is a good starting point for me. And what I want to do is make these offbeat hits more obvious. Nice thing about A Studio 2 is you have some effects to work with. So I'm just going to go to effects and I'm going to add compression with a bit of gain. Some reverb to it as well. So now we have these offbeat hits and they are louder in our song. I'm actually gonna cut it like this and just hold Ctrl D to duplicate it, because I feel like those hits were the loudest and I want to use those in the track. So that is the Music Enhance tool, but there is many more features that are super exciting, like the Add Layer feature. Let's say I want to add some strings. So I'm going to create a selection here, right click it, go to AI Tools, Add a Layer. And now we can add drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, and more. And it's going to generate a take that fits into our track. So let's say I want strings. So we're gonna go strings and we're gonna do hip hop soul. Hit generate, and now it's gonna generate strings that are tailored to our track. Let's hear what it came up with. Pretty damn cool. And I'm gonna use the first part of the strings like this. So I'm gonna duplicate it and use this as a little sample that it generated. So now we have this.
Break it, take it, do it how you like it, shake it, fake it, till you make
Damn, that is just so cool, especially if you are using this in combination with your own DAW like FL Studio. You can render out all these takes and then use them in your own DAW as loops or samples. But let's say we want to add our own melody, not just the generated stuff, but something we actually play. So I'm going to make a selection again, and this time click on Add MIDI. Now they have another amazing tool, which is AI Instruments. I'm just going to choose Instrument from MIDI, and here you have real instruments like strings, brass, woodwinds, and you can either play them on your keyboard, add a MIDI melody, or create a MIDI melody, and then it's gonna turn this instrument and make it sound super realistic. So let me demonstrate. I'm gonna use a trumpet and I'm gonna use my keyboard to play a melody.
break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, take it. Break it, take it.
So that was the simple melody I've recorded, but now the AI turned it into a proper trumpet. So here's the MIDI and let's have a listen to it. So as you can hear now, it's not just a simple trumpet MIDI, but it's an actual proper realistic trumpet sound. And you can also change it up as well if you want to adjust the MIDI, but also you can change the articulation. So right now it's set to smart. You can do glissando or mute. And now after some adjustments, we have this.
Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, take it. Break it, break it, break it, take it. Break it, take it, do it how you like it. Shake it, fake it, till you make it.
Now let's take a look at another example in a completely different genre, which is Afro House. And I'm gonna show you how you can add your own custom vocals. So I gave A Studio this audio, which I created. And with the music enhancer, it created this. And I've added a custom layer, which is this synth. And also this vocal, which I really love.
Oh, baby, come on, love me.
Especially this part.
Oh, just love me.
So I've added that with the add layer feature, as I showed you before. So now we have this. So that's already pretty amazing, but let's say we want to add our own custom vocal. So I showed you how to add a custom instrument, but let's make a selection, add MIDI, and this time instead of instrument, go with vocal from MIDI. And here you can choose from many singers. There are also some from the community as well, but you also have an option for choir, which I really liked. And I'm gonna go with this pop female choir. And now what we're gonna do is double click the track and create a MIDI melody. Or you can drag in the MIDI melody, or you can sing it yourself and it will create the MIDI melody based on your singing. But I'm just gonna go simple like this. So I want something like, so this is what I'm creating. So I've created the melody, and as you can see, the lyrics are just da da da. So let's hear how that sounds for now. But of course we can edit the lyrics in any way we want. So I'm gonna go da 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 da. And let's do like Spanish or whatever. Como está da. So you can just write the lyrics in one block and you can see they are actually being adjusted in here as well based on the number of syllables. So let's just do that, like a really simple vocal idea. Let's go to effects. You already have some effects set up on this choir. So let's hear how that sounds now. That is pretty amazing. And as I said, you can render out all of these tracks and use them in your own DAW, where you have a bit more control over everything. But this is a great tool that has a lot of great features that you can use in your actual music production. And there is a lot more, and they do keep adding more stuff. So if you are interested, check out A Studio, link is below in the description, and play around with it yourself. Now, just for fun, let's turn this whole track into a different genre. So let's do it like this, where first we have this vocal and then we have this vocal. So I'm gonna do music enhancer, new enhancement, select the whole song, and we're gonna try something crazy just to see what it comes up with. What about drum and bass? So So this has been a studio, a really cool tool, either if you want to make music as a hobby and you want to have some fun, but also for established producers who want to have some new tools to work with. So yeah, if you are interested, check it out. Link is below in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.